Greetings to everyone. I am Aparna.
And I am Avantika.
We are from Shri Thakur Dwara Balika Vidyalaya, Ghaziabad.
Today we are here to present our innovative key to improve the problem of water in India.
As we all know, out of India's population, 91 million people have no access to water. We need water in our daily lives for various purposes, for such as drinking, cleaning, washing clothes, washing dishes, for feeding plants and many more.
Distribution of water is not adequate and fair. We find in more water in area where people have higher income or in urban area and less water in rural area. In cities, people get water 24 hours in a day, but they do not value it and keep wasting it, and they do not realize that there are people who do not get water at all.
In last few years, numbers of reports and groundwater realities had reflected that India is going through a very hard time, where water scarcity is a bigger challenge than any other economic development. Mismanagement of water and sewage, lack of liquid waste management, poor sanitation condition and poor hygiene habits have contributed to a major part of population suffering from various waterborne diseases.
The one-person disease unburdened due to unsafe water and sanitation is 14 times higher in India than in China and 12 times higher in Sri Lanka in 2016.
As per reports, more than 500,000 of people are dying because of these various waterborne diseases such as cholera, diarrhea, typhoid and viral hepatitis A and E. India is placed 13th amongst the world's 17 water-stressed countries.
So winning something you have to lose some. So keep this big issue in your mind. We thought our innovative idea which we can decide the water limit for every person in the country.
So water will come according to the number of members in a house. No one will get more water than the limit. But sometimes this also happens that the guest comes to one's house. So we can do this that the person whose guests have come can go to municipal office and tell about his problem and can get water according to his needs.
We believe this suggestion will help India to get out from the trouble of water. It won't happen in a day alone, but it will definitely happen one day. If we all join hands and work together, then as it is the quality of India, unity in diversity.
Thanks for giving us your precious time.